Hello students, now we are going to start new lesson number 4, mangoes round the year. ठीक है, so in first picture you can see 3 children are there, Neetu, Aman, Preeti, and during their lunch time in the school they are discussing about their lunch. Okay, so Neetu says, wow, Aman's lunch box has sweet puris. Then Aman says, hey, today Neetu has brought potato sabzi. Then Preeti says, I have got bhindi. See, in the second picture, their faces are looking sad. Why? Because Aman realized that Neetu's sabzi got spoiled. He says, oh, Neetu, I think your potato sabzi is spoiled. Then Preeti says, don't eat that. You may fall sick. Here you take some bhindi. Now, here we need to understand that what is meant by food spoilage. So, food spoilage means when bacteria and fungus build up in food, then that food is spoiled and we should not eat spoiled food, otherwise we may fall sick. अगर हमने ऐसे खाना खाया जो कि ख़राब हो गया है तो हम क्या हो सकते हैं, बीमार हो सकते हैं. ठीक है. हाउ विल यू कम टू नो दैट फूड हैज़ गॉट स्पॉइल्ड? कैसे पता चलेगा कि फूड खाना ख़राब हो गया है? सो व्हेन द फूड गेट्स स्पॉइल्ड इट स्मेल्स बैड, its color also gets changed and even the texture will also change. So when you touch any spoiled food you will feel stickiness and you will also find some thread like structure on it, so that you will come to know that the food is spoiled. And usually during summer season our food gets spoiled easily than in winter. Now let's see why Aman's BG returned the bread. BG returned the bread. Aman's BG went to the market to buy bread. The shop was very crowded. The shopkeeper picked up a packet of bread and gave it to BG. She looked at it and returned it immediately. Now, why she did like this? Because she might have seen the expiry date of the bread, or she might have observed some black and white velvety structure on the bread. So whenever you go to buy anything, any food item especially, so that time you should check the expiry date of that product. You should check weight, then nutritional components which are there in that food packet or in that food. So everything is written on the food packet, so that each and everything you should observe, you should check, and then you should buy that particular product. Okay, so one more thing is there, on the food packets you will see 2 dots. One is red dot and another is green dot. So that is for vegetarian and non-vegetarian food. So red dot shows the food is non-vegetarian and the green dot shows the food is vegetarian. So you should see all these things whenever you go to buy something. Okay, so there is one activity, how does food get spoiled? So what you are supposed to do here, you can take one bread or roti and you have to sprinkle few drops of water on it and put it in a box, close the box and see the bread or roti every day until you find some changes on it. Make this table on a chart paper and put it up in the classroom. तो आपको क्या करना है, एक ब्रेड या फिर रोटी लेके उसको हल्का सा अपने उसके ऊपर पानी स्प्रिंकल करना है, उसको एक बॉक्स में बंद करके रख देना है और तब तक चेक करना है जब तक आपको उसके अंदर कोई चेंजेस ना दिखे. तो सी इन द टेबल दे हैव given the chart for 6 days, so daily you have to check, like by touch, by smell, what are the changes you will see in that, by looking through hand lens, by color. Okay, so these are this activity you have to do by your own. Next is given below are some food items and some simple uh, methods by which these could be kept fresh for 1 or 2 days. Like milk, how we store milk? Firstly we boil the milk, okay, and otherwise we keep the milk in the refrigerator because the bacteria or fungus they do not grow in very high temperature or in very low temperature. Then how you can store the cooked rice? You can put the rice in a bowl and you can keep the bowl in a container with some water. ठीक है. Then green coriander or धनिया you can wrap in a damp cloth. उसको आप गीले कपड़े में आप बंद करके रख सकते हो. Then onion and garlic you can keep it in a dry and open place.